Hey guys, so during Father's Day I'm going to be catching and cooking some fish. Before the title pops up, I have to let you know that there are no sounds because during this trip my camera has been malfunctioning, so I'm mostly going to be narrating this video and put background music as well to make this video seem more enjoyable. So enjoy this video, subscribe, yeah. As we gotten closer and closer and closer to the open water, our goal is to catch some type of fish called a fluke, sea robin, and probably a bluefish. Hopefully. As you can see right now from this video, I caught my first fluke. That's a fluke. It's a cousin to a flounder, and it's a flatfish. You can see its two eyes, it's slippery. Yeah, and I'm gonna throw it back because it's not big enough to eat. So here I am, threw it back, and continued on like nothing ever happened. My second attempt was to try and catch a sea robin and hopefully cook it and fillet it as soon as I can. So yeah, I had very high hopes that maybe I'll get a feeling about this one, so yeah. So this is my other video that I caught catching a sea robin, and that's a keeper because the tail and the side of the fish has some meat, and yeah, it's pretty nice. It's beautiful, nice and red too, and I tried to kiss it for good luck. Yeah. The second one was that I tried to attempt to keep it, but then it was just too small, so instead I tried to kiss it again for good luck, because, you know, what they say, when you're close to a fish, you're close to a mermaid. And look at it spread its wings, really nice. It's like it can fly. Yep. So I kissed it for good luck. Yeah, threw it back in, and just enjoyed myself again. And there's the guy who already filleted the fish, and he's putting all the meat inside the bag. And yeah, we are ready to cook for Father's Day. So I started making a simple recipe using corn, zucchini, and minced onions. And I got the fish right here and some rosemary. And yeah, I'm sprinkling a pinch of salt to have a better taste with it. Keep on sprinkling, 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 sprinkling. So now I'm adding the onions with the butter so that way they can sweat. nice and steamy. And then add the zucchini. Start moving it around. Put a little bit of seasoning in it. Yeah, salt, and then put all the corn right in there and start stirring. And once you're done with stirring, you can start sauteing it to the jump, and then you're pretty much done with the veggies. And then now you're ready for step 2, which is going to be something that I'm about to show you. So I started to use a little bit more salt and a little bit more vegetable oil, so that way they can be nice and clean, really nice and in color. So yeah. So now step 2. So in step 2, get a saute pan and put like a small quart of vegetable oil and start heating it. And to make something a little bit creamy, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter and wait until it melts. And once that's melt, you put the fish in, and just waiting until the butter melts. Almost there, and almost there. Just keep on stirring it. And now I'm gonna bring the fish. And I know that you guys might want to hear this, but I'm actually going to put the sound of the fryer, because it's just so oddly satisfying just to hear it. The worst part about the fryer is that it pops, because, you know, it just doesn't like fit well with water. See, it just happened right now. And then I'm coming prepared with the net, so that way I don't burn myself. And then wait for about like 3 to 4 minutes, and then you can start flipping. Which reminds me, I should go out and buy myself a fish spatula, but all I have is just tongs and just a regular size spatula, so pardon me if I break one of the fish. And just look how golden brown they are. And what I'm gonna do, I gotta get my spoon, is that you can actually use the spoon to actually shower them and give them a sprinkle of the oil and the butter. Just so satisfying. You can also do this with meat, you could also do this with chicken. It's just so satisfying and so tenderizing to do this. It's making my mouth water already. So I'm going to move this to the side to clean up afterwards. And now it's time for the process. To make this delicacy dish look very nice, my own way. So I'm going to use the spoon, gently place the veggies on the bottom. Gently, really nice. I want to make this look nice, so that way one day when I have my own restaurant, I can, and then everybody will be like, oh my goodness, this is so delicious, this is so good, how did you make it? Oh my god, like, can you please make another one? And now I'm putting the fish there, and voila! That's my cooked sea robin that I just cooked. And I'm gonna put a little bit of citrus, and I'm gonna share this with my family. It's very little. Now I'm gonna try the fish that I just cooked, so try it. It's great. Really nice and cooked. And a little bit of citrus, and a little bit of veggies too. It's great. It's amazing. So, subscribe, and see you guys later. So what are you guys waiting for? Subscribe, hit that bell notification, so that way you can be updated for my new videos. So thank you for watching, and see you guys later.